The energy sector is undergoing a massive transformation, and the change isn't coming from the usual giants. Instead, a wave of agile, innovative startups is leading the charge with artificial intelligence. These companies bring new ideas, niche solutions, and game-changing technologies that are not only reshaping traditional energy management, but also pushing the boundaries on how we consume and distribute power. From predictive maintenance to energy trading, let's dive into the world of energy tech startups using AI to build the future. Welcome to the AI Lib. AutoGrid is a Silicon Valley startup pioneering in the field of AI-based energy management, specifically with a focus on optimizing demand response and distributed energy resources, DER. Their primary product, the AutoGrid Flex platform, allows energy companies to manage power usage dynamically, especially during peak times, and is designed to maximize the integration of renewable sources into the grid. One of the main advantages of AutoGrid's technology is its ability to forecast energy demand with high precision. This forecasting ability is crucial in an industry where demand can be unpredictable and supply, particularly from renewables, can fluctuate based on weather and other factors. By integrating machine learning algorithms, AutoGrid Flex can predict energy consumption patterns, helping utilities adjust their distribution strategy in real time, reducing the reliance on traditional energy sources like coal and gas during peak periods. Furthermore, AutoGrid's platform is designed to empower energy companies and grid operators to better engage with consumers. Through AI, the platform creates an environment where consumers can receive incentives for adjusting their usage during peak times, balancing demand without disrupting consumer routines. For instance, in times of high demand, AutoGrid can send signals to smart thermostats and other connected devices in homes and businesses, lowering energy usage temporarily to avoid stress on the grid. This level of optimization not only improves energy efficiency but also lowers overall costs. Utilities save on expensive fuel costs by avoiding the need to ramp up traditional energy production, and these savings can ultimately be passed on to consumers. AutoGrid has also been instrumental in bringing clean energy into the mix more smoothly. By balancing renewable energy sources with real-time demand, the company enables utilities to rely more heavily on wind and solar power without risking grid stability. Despite its innovation, AutoGrid faces challenges, particularly in market penetration and interoperability with legacy systems. Traditional utilities may be reluctant to overhaul existing infrastructure, and adapting AutoGrid's platform to diverse regulatory requirements across states and countries adds complexity. Nonetheless, the company continues to grow, partnering with major utilities and energy providers around the world, including Schneider Electric and Shell, to bring smart, responsive energy management into the mainstream. SparkCognition, based in Austin, Texas, is a leader in using AI for predictive maintenance and anomaly detection within the energy sector. At its core, SparkCognition's AI-driven approach leverages machine learning to monitor critical assets in real time, detecting early signs of wear and tear, inefficiencies, and potential faults before they become costly problems. This capability is essential in the energy sector, where even minor interruptions can lead to massive financial losses and service disruptions. Their flagship platform, SparkPredict, uses advanced algorithms to analyze data from sensors embedded in critical infrastructure, such as turbines, transformers, and power lines. By processing large volumes of historical and real-time data, SparkPredict identifies patterns that indicate when a component is beginning to fail, allowing companies to perform maintenance proactively. For example, if a turbine shows early signs of bearing failure, SparkPredict can notify engineers to perform maintenance, thereby preventing a catastrophic failure that could result in significant downtime. One of SparkCognition's standout applications has been in the renewable energy sector. Wind and solar installations often operate in remote locations where maintenance is costly and logistically challenging. For wind farms, in particular, SparkCognition's technology has been crucial. Wind turbines are subject to intense wear due to constant movement and exposure to harsh weather conditions. SparkCognition's algorithms can detect subtle shifts in performance and predict potential breakdowns, allowing operators to schedule maintenance during low-demand periods rather than waiting for unexpected failures. Beyond maintenance, SparkCognition is expanding its AI applications to help companies optimize the overall performance of their energy assets. For instance, by understanding the wear patterns and operational needs of turbines or solar panels, Spark Cognition can adjust performance parameters to maximize efficiency and lifespan. This adds another layer of value, as it helps companies achieve sustainability goals by keeping equipment in optimal condition, thus reducing energy waste and operational costs. While Spark Cognition solutions offer clear benefits, adoption remains a hurdle. Energy companies are traditionally risk-averse, and integrating AI with existing systems involves significant upfront costs and training. However, the substantial cost savings and efficiency improvements are driving a gradual shift, as utilities and renewable energy operators recognize the long-term benefits of predictive maintenance over reactive repairs. Udus Insights, a New York-based startup founded in collaboration with IBM, focuses on predictive analytics to integrate renewable energy sources seamlessly into existing grids. Their platform, known as Renewable's Forecasting Suite, harnesses AI and machine learning to forecast renewable energy production based on various factors, such as weather conditions, historical data, and even local demand patterns. For renewable energy providers, accurate forecasting is essential. Unlike traditional power plants, renewable sources like wind and solar are highly variable, making it difficult to predict output with certainty. Udus Insights software uses a blend of weather prediction models and machine learning algorithms to offer precise short-term and long-term production forecasts. This is particularly valuable for grid operators who need to balance energy supply and demand while avoiding unnecessary reliance on fossil fuels. In addition to forecasting production, Udus Insights platform assists grid operators in optimizing how renewables are deployed across the grid. For example, when there is a surplus of solar power on a sunny day, the platform can help balance the grid by recommending optimal storage or distribution solutions, such as charging battery storage systems or redirecting power to areas of higher demand. By making these adjustments in real time, the platform helps prevent waste and ensures that renewable energy is used to its fullest potential. Udus Insights also offers a specialized solution called load forecasting, which enables utilities to better predict electricity demand across different regions and timeframes. With these insights, utilities can adjust supply to meet expected demand without over-relying on non-renewable sources. This not only improves operational efficiency but also supports sustainability goals, as utilities can rely on renewables without risking supply gaps or blackouts. The startup has partnered with numerous energy providers, helping them not only to embrace renewable energy but also to address the inherent volatility in renewable sources. However, one challenge Udus Insights faces is the difficulty of scaling their technology across diverse regulatory landscapes and grid systems. Adapting their models to work effectively across various types of infrastructure requires flexibility and a deep understanding of local energy markets. Despite these challenges, Udus Insights has established itself as a valuable partner for renewable energy providers and grid operators worldwide, contributing to a more reliable and greener energy ecosystem. Verre Technologies, headquartered in Silicon Valley, specializes in real-time energy monitoring and analytics for large buildings and industrial facilities. Using a combination of AI and IoT devices, Verre provides organizations with precise insights into their energy consumption patterns, enabling them to reduce waste, lower costs, and increase efficiency across their operations. Their flagship product, Verre Intelligent Energy Metering, allows clients to monitor individual circuits within a building, breaking down energy use by equipment and system. This granular level of insight is especially valuable for commercial buildings, factories, and campuses, where numerous systems and devices consume significant amounts of electricity daily. Verre meters collect and transmit data in real time to an AI-driven analytics platform, which processes the information to reveal energy consumption patterns and identify inefficiencies. For example, if HVAC systems are consuming more energy than expected, the system can alert facility managers, prompting them to investigate potential causes such as outdated equipment, excessive use during off-peak hours, or suboptimal temperature settings. One of Verre's key advantages lies in its predictive capabilities. The platform's machine learning algorithms learn from historical data, enabling it to forecast future energy needs with high accuracy. This can be crucial for large-scale users who want to plan their energy usage, as it helps them avoid peak pricing periods, thereby saving on utility costs. Additionally, Vertigris allows clients to set up custom alerts for when energy consumption exceeds set thresholds, which is particularly useful for budgeting and sustainability initiatives. The data collected by Vertigris is also used to generate actionable recommendations, often suggesting ways to adjust usage patterns or upgrade specific systems for better energy efficiency. In many cases, the AI platform identifies small inefficiencies that would otherwise go unnoticed, yet collectively they can lead to significant reductions in electricity costs and greenhouse gas emissions over time. Vertigris faces challenges common to many IoT-focused companies, particularly around data privacy and cybersecurity. Since the system captures detailed usage data, organizations need assurance that this information will be securely stored and managed. Vertigris has addressed this by implementing stringent data encryption and compliance measures. Additionally, scaling their solution to fit various types of buildings requires flexibility in deployment and compatibility with different building management systems. However, Vertigris's AI-driven approach has proven invaluable, especially for companies with sustainability goals, and its client base continues to grow across industries, from technology firms to manufacturing and healthcare. Origami Energy, a UK-based startup, offers AI-driven solutions that empower energy companies and large-scale consumers to dynamically balance energy supply and demand. As the grid increasingly integrates renewable energy sources, which are often variable in production, the need for real-time balancing has become critical. Origami's platform is designed to help grid operators and energy companies optimize their energy distribution based on live data, making the grid more flexible and reliable. Origami's software gathers real-time data from various sources across the grid, including renewable energy plants, battery storage systems, and consumer demand points. Using machine learning algorithms, the platform predicts potential imbalances between supply and demand and recommends immediate corrective actions. For example, if a surge in solar energy production is detected due to unexpectedly sunny conditions, Origami's platform can quickly identify where this excess power could be redirected or stored. This type of balancing helps avoid overloading the grid, which can lead to service interruptions and equipment strain. One standout feature of Origami's solution is its ability to interact with energy markets. The platform not only analyzes grid performance, but also provides insights into energy pricing, allowing companies to capitalize on the best times to buy or sell electricity. For instance, during low-demand periods when renewable energy is abundant, the platform can suggest purchasing additional energy at a lower cost to store for later use. Conversely, when demand and prices are high, companies can benefit by selling excess stored energy back to the grid, generating additional revenue streams. Origami Energy's approach aligns with the broader shift toward decentralized and flexible energy systems, where different stakeholders, from small-scale producers to large energy providers, contribute to grid stability. By integrating AI with real-time energy trading capabilities, Origami enables a more distributed and resilient grid, where fluctuations in renewable energy sources are smoothly managed without compromising service reliability. A key challenge for Origami is ensuring interoperability across different grid infrastructures and regulatory environments, especially as they expand internationally. Each country has unique rules and standards, and Origami must adapt its platform to comply with these while maintaining functionality. However, the company's commitment to flexibility and adaptability has made it a leader in the growing field of energy balancing and distributed energy management, with partnerships across Europe and a growing interest from markets in North America and Asia. FlexiDAO, based in Spain, is innovating at the intersection of AI, blockchain, and energy management. The company focuses on energy traceability, providing businesses with a verified source of their energy supply, which is especially relevant as more companies commit to using 100% renewable energy. FlexiDAO's solution allows companies to track their energy's origin, ensuring they meet sustainability goals and regulatory requirements regarding renewable energy use. The company's approach leverages both AI and blockchain to create a transparent and tamper-proof record of energy transactions. Blockchain technology ensures that each unit of renewable energy can be traced back to its source, be it wind, solar, or hydro, providing companies with real-time verification of their energy mix. On top of this, FlexiDAO's AI algorithms analyze energy data to provide insights into the most efficient ways to source renewable energy based on factors like availability, price fluctuations, and grid stability. This traceability is not just a regulatory formality, it is increasingly a strategic advantage. Many large corporations, such as those in the tech sector, have committed to achieving zero carbon emissions, making energy sourcing a top priority. With FlexiDAO, these companies can certify the source of their electricity and, in some cases, even select which renewable sources they want to prioritize based on sustainability preferences. For instance, a company may choose to source a larger portion of its energy from solar during peak sunlight hours or from wind sources during high wind periods, optimizing both cost and environmental impact. Another application of FlexiDAO's technology is in 24/7 renewable energy matching. This concept ensures that a company's energy use is matched hour by hour with renewable energy production, rather than on a monthly or annual basis. Such precision is crucial for organizations committed to deep decarbonization, as it aligns their operations closely with real-time renewable production, offering a more accurate and impactful approach to sustainability. While FlexiDAO's solution is innovative, it faces hurdles, especially in regions where blockchain adoption is still met with regulatory uncertainty. Additionally, implementing the system requires close collaboration with grid operators and renewable energy providers to ensure data accuracy and compliance with local standards. Nonetheless, FlexiDAO's transparency model has attracted interest from energy providers and companies looking to authenticate their green credentials. As demand for renewable energy grows, FlexiDAO is well-positioned to become a standard in energy traceability, empowering companies to make credible, verifiable claims about their energy usage. Grid Beyond, based in Ireland, is at the forefront of AI-driven energy management for industrial and commercial energy consumers. The company focuses on helping organizations respond dynamically to fluctuations in energy demand through its intelligent energy management platform. By employing advanced machine learning algorithms, Grid Beyond enables businesses to become active participants in the grid, optimizing both energy consumption and production for maximum efficiency. At its core, Grid Beyond's platform leverages demand response technology, allowing businesses to adjust their energy usage based on real-time signals from the grid. During times of high demand, the platform can automatically reduce energy consumption by slightly lowering power to non-essential equipment or by shifting certain processes to off-peak periods. This not only helps stabilize the grid, but also allows companies to save on energy costs by avoiding peak rate periods. The platform even allows organizations with backup energy sources or on-site generation capacity, such as solar panels or battery storage, to sell excess power back to the grid, creating additional revenue streams. A unique feature of Grid Beyond is its use of AI for predictive load forecasting. By analyzing historical data, weather patterns, and real-time grid conditions, the system can anticipate future demand fluctuations with a high degree of accuracy. For example, in manufacturing facilities where machinery operations follow regular patterns, Grid Beyond's AI can forecast power needs for the day ahead, adjusting energy loads to avoid unnecessary spikes in usage. Grid Beyond has also integrated energy storage optimization into its platform. For businesses with energy storage systems, such as large-scale batteries, the platform determines the optimal times to charge and discharge, taking advantage of price fluctuations and grid demand to maximize savings. This added layer of flexibility is invaluable in regions where energy costs vary significantly throughout the day. Challenges for Grid Beyond largely involve educating potential clients about the benefits of demand response and navigating regulatory environments that may lack frameworks for such technologies. However, as energy prices fluctuate and grid resilience becomes a greater concern globally, Grid Beyond's AI-driven approach offers a compelling solution for businesses looking to reduce costs and participate actively in grid stability initiatives. Twice, headquartered in Munich, Germany, is a leader in AI-driven battery analytics, providing insights that help extend the life of energy storage systems, crucial as the world shifts toward electric vehicles, EVs, and renewable energy. Twice's technology enables energy companies, EV manufacturers, and fleet operators to monitor battery health, predict performance degradation, and optimize usage to maximize efficiency and lifespan. Batteries are critical in renewable energy storage, especially for managing intermittent sources like wind and solar power. However, battery degradation over time reduces storage capacity, leading to performance issues and costly replacements. Twice's predictive analytics software analyzes a wide range of factors that impact battery health, such as temperature, charge cycles, and discharge rates. By understanding these variables, Twice's algorithms can forecast when a battery will begin to lose efficiency or reach the end of its usable life, allowing operators to plan maintenance and replacements proactively. Twice's analytics are particularly useful for companies operating large battery installations, like those used in grid-scale energy storage or in electric vehicle fleets. In addition to prolonging battery life, Twice's software provides optimization strategies, ensuring batteries are charged and discharged in ways that minimize wear. For example, batteries that are charged at high rates tend to degrade faster, so Twice's AI can adjust charging patterns to reduce stress on the battery cells, extending the battery's lifespan by up to 30%. A major advantage of Twice's technology is its application in second-life battery usage. After their primary use in EVs, batteries often have enough capacity to be repurposed for less demanding applications, such as stationary storage in renewable energy setups. Twice's platform assesses the health of these used batteries and determines their suitability for second-life applications, reducing waste and promoting sustainable energy storage. While Twice's technology offers substantial benefits, scaling remains a challenge, especially as battery chemistries and usage patterns vary widely across industries. The company must constantly adapt its models to handle these differences, but its partnerships with major players in the automotive and energy sectors demonstrate its growing influence in the market. As battery technology continues to evolve, Twice is well-positioned to play a key role in sustainable energy storage. Konix, another German startup, uses AI and IoT sensors to monitor infrastructure, focusing on predictive maintenance for both the energy and transportation sectors. By using machine learning to analyze data from sensors installed on critical infrastructure, Konix enables utilities and rail operators to detect early signs of wear and tear, allowing them to address issues before they lead to costly breakdowns or delays. In the energy sector, Konix's technology is particularly valuable for monitoring aging infrastructure, such as transmission lines and transformers, which are essential for reliable power distribution. These assets are often difficult and costly to inspect manually, and unexpected failures can lead to widespread service disruptions. Konix's predictive maintenance system continuously monitors these assets, identifying minor irregularities that could indicate larger issues in the future. For instance, if a transmission line shows signs of increased vibration or temperature fluctuations, Konix can alert maintenance teams to investigate, preventing potential service interruptions. In addition to energy, Konix's technology is widely applied in the rail sector, where it monitors critical components such as rail switches and tracks. By identifying signs of wear, such as gradual misalignment or loosening of parts, Konix helps rail operators prevent accidents and reduce maintenance costs, creating a safer and more reliable transportation network. The overlap between energy and rail infrastructure is crucial, as both sectors rely on uninterrupted service, and Konix's predictive approach allows them to achieve this with minimal intervention. Konix's data-driven approach also extends to helping companies optimize their maintenance schedules. Instead of conducting maintenance based on fixed time intervals, operators can perform repairs based on actual asset conditions, which reduces costs and minimizes downtime. This condition-based maintenance strategy is particularly beneficial in the energy sector, where infrastructure is often spread across vast areas, making regular manual inspections impractical. A key challenge for Konix is the installation and integration of its sensors across diverse types of infrastructure, particularly in locations where internet connectivity is limited. However, as more utilities and transportation operators adopt IoT technology, Konix's market is expanding. Their predictive maintenance model not only cuts down on operational expenses, but also supports long-term sustainability by extending the lifespan of critical assets. PowerLedger, based in Australia, combines AI with blockchain technology to enable peer-to-peer, P2P, energy trading. Their platform allows consumers and businesses to buy and sell renewable energy directly, bypassing traditional utility companies. This decentralization empowers individuals and organizations to become both producers and consumers of energy, a concept known as prosumers. Using blockchain, PowerLedger's platform tracks energy production and consumption in real time, creating a transparent and secure ledger that records each transaction. This setup is especially beneficial for individuals and businesses that generate surplus renewable energy, such as homeowners with rooftop solar panels. Instead of selling excess energy back to the grid at low rates or letting it go to waste, they can sell it directly to neighbors or local businesses through Power Ledger's platform, often at a higher rate than traditional buyback schemes. AI plays a critical role in matching buyers and sellers efficiently. Power Ledger's algorithms analyze energy usage patterns, weather forecasts, and demand fluctuations to optimize the timing and pricing of energy trades. For instance, if a neighborhood is expected to have high energy demand during the afternoon, Power Ledger's system can prioritize local renewable sources, like solar, to meet this demand first. This not only promotes the use of green energy, but also reduces the strain on the larger grid. Power Ledger's solution also includes energy tracking and certification, allowing users to verify the origin of their electricity. This is particularly appealing to environmentally conscious consumers and businesses aiming to ensure their energy comes from sustainable sources. The platform's flexibility means it can be adapted for microgrids and local energy communities, fostering energy independence and resilience in areas with unreliable grid access. Challenges for Power Ledger include regulatory hurdles, as energy trading regulations vary widely between regions. Additionally, the company needs to educate consumers and stakeholders on the benefits of P2P energy trading, which is a relatively new concept in the traditional energy landscape. However, Power Ledger's partnerships with energy providers and local governments have shown promise, and as blockchain adoption grows, their decentralized model could play a significant role in making renewable energy more accessible and equitable. So, what do you think? Are startups the true game changers in the quest for a more sustainable and efficient energy future? With their cutting-edge AI solutions, these companies are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in energy management, renewable integration, and grid resilience. And as they continue to expand, we might be closer than we think to a world powered by clean, smart, and optimized energy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Check out the videos appearing on your screen right now for more insights and stories from the world of technology. This is the AI Lib. Stay tuned.